Did you know Albertsons, the grocery giant, was born in the humble year of 1939? That's right, before the age of online shopping carts, they were filling real ones. Started in Boise, Idaho, they're now the second largest supermarket chain in North America. Who needs a silver medal when you've got over 2,253 stores? And let's not forget their workforce, a whopping 270,000 employees. That's enough to populate a small country. But wait, there's more. In 2022, the news broke that Albertsons would be acquired by Kroger for a cool $25 billion. Now that's what we call a supermarket deal. So next time you're pushing that shopping cart, remember, you're strolling through a slice of retail history.